Action.
Hi, it's Joe Fluke. We did 2 little baking segments with 2 recipes from Raspberry Danish Murder. And I just wanted to give you a slight warning. These are not professionally done. It was just Richard and my son John and me and Kathy who baked the finished products from the book. Don't expect too much, please. they're amateurish, but the recipes, you can expect the world from these recipes. If you bake these recipes yourself, you will find out that everyone will absolutely adore them. That's all I wanted to do, just warn you a little bit. Bye.